Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 15.1 question number 4. The following graph shows the temperature forecast and the actual temperature for each day of a week. Question number A. On which days was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? Number B. What was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? What is the minimum actual temperature during the week? On which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? Here you see the dotted line is the forecast temperature and this line is the actual temperature. Let us find this is the temperature in degrees 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. There is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, right? Let us find the solution of the question. Let us find the first question is what is the first question? The question is on which days was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? Here you see this is the forecast temperature. This is the forecast temperature and this is the actual temperature. This is the actual temperature, right? We'll find that what is the question? The question is on which days was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? We'll find that this graph and this graph meet at this point and this graph meet at this point, and also this graph and this graph meet at this point. That means on 3 days we'll find that the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature. This temperature is on Tuesday, this temperature is on Friday, and this temperature is on Sunday, right? Therefore we can write that Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Therefore the answer is on which days was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? The forecast temperature, the forecast temperature, the forecast temperature and the actual temperature and the actual temperature and the actual temperature and the actual temperature and actual temperature was same on, you see this one, on Tuesday, this point, that is on Friday, Tuesday, Friday and Sunday, Tuesday, Friday and Sunday, right? Now question number B. Question number B you see here is what is the maximum forecast temperature during the week? The maximum forecast temperature, the maximum. Here you see the maximum temperature is this figure, right? And the degree is here you see perpendicular to it, that is it is 35 degrees centigrade. Therefore the maximum forecast temperature, therefore the maximum forecast temperature, maximum forecast temperature, the maximum forecast temperature, was 35 degrees centigrade, was 35 degree centigrade. Therefore we can say the maximum forecast temperature was 35 degree centigrade during the week. During the week. Now question number C. Question number C is, what is the minimum actual temperature during the week? Minimum actual temperature. Here see this one. The minimum actual temperature is minimum temperature is this point, right? And also this point, right? That is on Friday, right? The minimum actual temperature is 15 degree. Here see this point is 15, and on Friday also it is 15 degree centigrade. What is the minimum actual temperature during the week? Therefore, the minimum actual temperature the minimum actual temperature was the minimum is 15 degree centigrade, 15 degrees centigrade during the week, right? Now question number D. Question number D says, on which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? We'll find the difference. Here you see, this is the difference on Monday. Tuesday is same. Wednesday, this is the difference. And in Thursday, this one is the difference. And on Friday, no difference. And on Saturday, this one is the difference. And Sunday, no difference. Therefore, this difference is maximum, right? That is, here you see, this point is 20, this is 25, right? Therefore, this point is different, right? Then we see that on Thursday, this is Thursday, right? This is the maximum temperature difference between the forecast temperature and the actual temperature, right? On which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? On Thursday. You see, this is the difference, right? This is 15 degree and this is more than, this is 20 and this is 25. That means 22.5 degree, right? That is the difference, right? That means you can say on Thursday, the actual temperature on Thursday, the actual temperature differs the most, differ the most from the forecast temperature, from the forecast temperature. Right? That means this point. Here there is a lot of difference between all of them, right? That are 1, 2, 3 horizontal line. That means the difference is actually, this is 22.5 minus 15 degree. That is the difference, right? And these are nearly less. Therefore, we can say, on which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? We can say on Thursday, the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.